There's a manual in there and USB cable. I'll just have a look, see whether it's legible. Well, it is, but it needs a magnifying glass, I reckon. Well, it's not that bad. Okay, let's put the boxes away. Plug. It's come with a protector at the back. What can you say about a phone? They all look the same. Let's switch it on. Hope it's got power. The back, I've taken the back off, and this battery is 3000 mAh, so it should be better than the average battery. I don't know if it's got any power in it, but we'll try. Right, let's hope there's some power in this battery, otherwise I'll have to charge it before I carry on with this review. Nope, nothing's happening. Oh yes, it is. Here we are. Must admit, looks nice, feels nice, good weight, large. Nice orange color, like the box. Purity. I'll just get started. Well, I won't go to Android and just leave it here. That's the end of the review. Short one. Nice looking camera, nice looking phone. Goodbye.